Nicole, did you think that you and your baby were doomed?
I didn't fear for Shane. I didn't fear for my son, but I did for myself. This is an incurable cancer at the stage that we found it. So pretty much, felt like there wasn't much hope.
How did you deal with that at the time?
Lots of crying, lots of reaching out. I have an amazing family, amazing support network, lots of friends who, again, looking at my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law, showing me that you fight and you get as much information as you can and that there is hope out there, and people sharing stories of rare cases of cancer that people have survived and been cancer-free. And I just clung to that.
So you now, at this point, you've got lung cancer, you've got cancer in lymph nodes, it's spread to your brain. So a brain tumor we're talking about. What did the doctors want to do at that point?
My oncologist, Dr. Hellerstedt, who I have an amazing relationship with, was very honest from the beginning in saying you're a complicated case. And so she spoke with people, connections she had through MD Anderson, and they ultimately decided the first thing we got to do is we got to deliver that baby.